All right, boys and girls, a special treat for you today. We finished Batman last week. Needed a new thing to play. I'm thinking we'll do a one-off for this. I don't know how good it's going to be. In case you can't read, that's Superman, the Man of Steel by Atari. Because Superman always has the best games. You know what I mean? Wait, what is this? Oh, the classic Circus Freak Studio. Love those guys. Can't even name off all their hits. They're amazing. So this game, I just remember being awful. I remember like maybe playing it collectively for like an hour. I was really excited and hyped for it because I'm a huge comic book nerd, especially back, when I got the Xbox. Like, oh man, the cover looks dope. It's like cell shaded. It's amazing. Oh, look at this here. What are the options? Can I get subtitles? Not that we're gonna really need them, but audio video options. Yeah, it's kind of a crapshoot whether you get subtitles or not in games. Back then. Yeah, I just started. So, I love Superman. I dream of like a really cool. We're gonna start a new game. Real cool Superman game, but how do I have two? 19? That looks like I got far 2009. Then I kind of gave up and tried again in 2013. Well, you know what? We're gonna make a new one in 2022, baby. And like I said, this is just gonna be a one-off. I can't sit through this. I don't think.
And my husband saves the day yet again. You know, Smallville, there's something amusing about being
Oh
married to a
no.
guy who can see through a brick wall and change the course of mighty rivers, not to mention fly. It still likes to walk to work.
That's just the fanboy in me. You know, if the
Oh,
rocket
why are
ship
they flying cars?
baby had landed
Alright, I'm
on
gonna skip
Venus,
this just because the audio is still terrible. I thought I fixed it. I might just have to buy a new thing for the AV. But I guess this takes place in the future. There's like flying cars and stuff, which is cool. I'm glad it's not just like a Superman coming to terms with his power. The rail whale station is under attack. Superman can use his powerful telescopic vision to find his next objective. Okay, so how do you fly faster? Oh no. Ooh, ooh. Oh. So this is kind of cool. This is kind of what I want, like a Superman game. And hopefully one day Rocksteady will make one, but this kind of looks like Superman Returns. Actually, a lot like Superman Returns. Like they had the, how do I use my zappy eyes? There we go. How do I... Hey, buddy? Have to freeze you? Okay. Freeze you, then beat you? I'm getting my butt kicked here. How do you even go up? Oh, wait a minute. There's a lock-on button. Okay. Yeah, this seems a lot like Superman Returns. I have the DS port of that. And honestly, for a really crappy game, there's something really addictive about it. I think I was just trying to get all the comic book covers as bonus. But yeah, it's a real bland game, but I really like the something about flying as Superman has always done it for me. This audio is terrible. Hopefully the mic's not clicking. I saw I was doing that last time. Fisticuffs. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Maybe Superman Returns is just a port of this game. Although, I do also like the look. It's weird that you don't hear about this game that often. Actually, ever. But I like... I don't know. This feels like this could have been like a classic. It feels like it's got all the right cogs in place. Where are they? There you go. Oop. The controls are a little wonky, I'm not gonna lie. Unless, I must be figuring something out. There should be like a strafe button to go up and down. But I have yet to find that. I thought purple was heat vision. Yeah, it is. And the longer you hold it, it looks like it charges up more. See, this is neat. And the Superman didn't have a health bar. The city had a health bar, which is cool. I mean, it definitely needs some tweaking without heavily weakening Superman, or you know, I honestly don't know how you'd make a Superman game, but maybe one day. Oh, I thought you just. I would figure only appropriate would just be Batman. Gotta have some Superman in there. World's finest. Hello? Now they're mixing them all together, it looks like. No, purple was what? Laser eyes? And I feel like this is just the entire game. I'm now remembering a boss battle? I mean, you'll never guess who the boss behind these robots are, if you're a Superman fan. Clearly Metallo. But I remember the boss was like really stupid, just like a giant thing that doesn't really do anything. He just kind of stands there while you wail on him. Oh, it already says Braniac, never mind. You're already supposed to know it's him. Can I go faster somehow? Oh, I didn't know you could like laser while you fly though. That's kind of fun. And useless, because you won't be able to hit anything, but... I know they were teasing a Superman game years ago. People were heavily speculating after Arkham it would be a Superman game, because there were models released, and you know, there's dialogue kind of hinting at like Superman. There's been dialogue in all the Arkham games and like a bigger kind of universe it belongs in. I should do the Arkham games. I absolutely love the Arkham games. They're the only games I've ever, what do you call it? Not pre-bought, but, pre-ordered. And paid full price for. I always wait for games to go on sale and stuff before I buy, but those are well worth the $60. Even Arkham Origins. Except for Blackgate. That one I didn't pre-order. Anyway, about Superman. I'd love to have Superman 64 in my collection, but I haven't found it for cheap enough. So I'm not gonna pay any amount of money for it. You know, it's gonna be like at a tag sale for like $5. Then I'll buy it. But because why buy something you're not gonna enjoy? You know, I'd buy it just for the LOLs. Wait. Oh, green's the ice, isn't it? Ah, see, now that's not good. That's terrible. It's like, I don't know, Superman 64 didn't have a heart or soul in it. It was just... Blah. This feels like they had... I don't know, it's got like, you know, flying cars and stuff. It sounds like they had the very, very, very basic of an idea, and then they just kind of didn't go through with it. They were just like, no, we'll make it kind of... We kind of got... I don't know what happened, but... That's cool. I did that while flying. I'm assuming I gotta, like, freeze these, right? Oh, it didn't work when I was flying, of course. it's like, see, this could be like a fun, like, as you're flying to the city, you see this happening. Not like a mission, but like, I don't know. I really like, and like, he's not fast enough. If I would have play a perfect Superman game, I'd be able to zip through it. And again, I hate to keep like talking about Superman Returns because it was not a great game at all. But it also had some kind of fun ideas. You could fly the city really fast. Oh man, I'm getting my butt kicked here. What does X do again? X is like a... Purple's laser. I keep mixing up the colors. I'm gonna die. And I'm about to lose to stupid robots here. Freeze him so he doesn't keep hitting me, because yeah, I'm dead. Braniac 13's robots have defeated Superman. They didn't use Kryptonian or Kryptonite, but you know, they just got one heck of a punch. That's one thing that bugged me too, kind of like growing up, because again, I was a huge comic nerd. I still am, in an extent. You know, I don't read as much anymore of the issues. I kind of fell off track. I'll pick up a Howard the Duck every now and then, but there's not really a comic book store near me. I'm not really locked in, so I just kind of fell off track. But man, I had a filing cabinet filled, still do actually, filled with comics and stuff. And where is he? Lock onto him. No, him. Oh my gosh. Green is freezy? Green is freezy. Green is freezy. They're the easy ones to kill. Yellow's punchy. I gotta freeze them first, they don't go anywhere. That's lasery. Oops, that's lasery. Okay. Freeze him, okay. I'd say I'm doing a bit better now. If I could just lock onto this guy. No, that's freezy. Right? I thought purple was freezy. Am I wrong? Purple lasery? Purple or lasery? You'd think I'd remember this, but I don't know. The colors, they seem weird to me. Like, I feel like blue would be freeze, red would be laser. No, purple's laser. Oh, I should really be focusing on the generators. I didn't even see these here. Oh, no, purple's laser. Purple's laser. Hey, got health back. Yeah, this just feels like the next gen Superman 64. Not as bad. Clearly not as bad. I get to actually fly around a bit, and it's not just quick. Superman 64, I just realized, is like the WarioWare of Superman games. I love WarioWare games, but they are just... The Superman 64 is just like micro games, which works extremely well in WarioWare. I just want that known that this is not a slight to WarioWare in the slightest. It's one of my favorite bunch of games, but it works there, not here. Okay. Yellow is like anything, right? Or is yellow specifically punch? Yellow specifically punch. What? I'm dead. Yeah, dude, level 2, and I can't. Oh my gosh, yeah, we're just gonna do one more of these, and then I'm done. It's like, how did I get to level 19? This must not have been my save file in 19, because I don't remember playing for that long. I feel like this seems pretty much how I played this the first time. I got to the boss, I remember that, because I was like, alright, I'll give it like a shot. Maybe just the first couple levels are weak. It was like a Superman game I never heard of. That's good. That means it's not notoriously bad. But yeah, this is not good. Alright, get rid of the generators first. It sucks because when you attack, your physical attacks, you stop like right in place. Also, are the yellows the one that anything, or is it just physical? Purple's laser. Just remember purple's laser. Just take a long time, yeah. Green is freeze, purple's laser. Green is freeze, purple's laser. I gotta go save this building here. There's gotta be a way to, like, strafe down. Oh, whoa. Oh, you can go up and down if I use the right stick. This is weird. I don't love this. But again, look at that polish. He's, like, raising his fist and he goes up. That's cool. It's just, so when I go up and down and strafe, I can't use my attacks at all. Go to this thing right here. Okay, I see one over here. Any more? Bingo. No. The ones you have to physically punch are the worst ones. Also, did I just see like a golden guy down there? I thought I did. Missed him. And yeah, again, I gotta get this audio fixed. I realize it's annoying and grating. Where? I don't understand. Okay, what do I do here? Laser it? Oh, okay. Oh boy, I'm coming. I'm trying. Oh my gosh. Right here, maybe? That looks like a spot, right? I feel like it would be hard to do, honestly, a Superman game without nerfing him or making everybody else wicked, strong, and powerful. But it could... Because Superman is like a... I don't know, it's like he's not a conventional... Like, yeah, he's action, you know, he fights people every time, but it also is like... saving people, essentially, because he's practically invulnerable. And it's like, I also don't want the whole city to have a health bar, because that's just annoying. Is there another one down here? Am I getting attacked here? I don't know. I don't know. You know what? Screw it. Just pick this up and go. Also, does that Superman have a mullet? Is this 90s mullet Superman? I can't tell. Yeah, I'm getting attacked. That's alright, it's alright. Excuse me. Excuse me. There we go, boys. Where'd he go? Also, that's not a new robot Superman. It's the same one we've been fighting. Am I supposed to go somewhere? I see that, like, health bar thing. Let go, please. Let go of him. Let go of him. I want to get to this thing. Thank you. Jeez, once you lock on, it won't let you let go. Oh my gosh. Alright. We're gonna take a little sneak peek at this next level, but I'm done. I'm done. Gets to a point where you're like, what am I doing? Oh gosh. And the audio is not great. Oh. Unstoppable. You know what that reminds me of? That background, just that image right there? The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle games that was on Xbox. Which wasn't bad. It was a beat 'em up. If I remember correctly, that was pretty fun. Haven't played it in years, but that art style right there.
Jimmy Olsen here, photographer.
Oh, hey, Jimmy.
Superman, I got a question for you. What are you doing Saturday night?
I don't know, Jimmy. What do you mean? I kind of got plans.
Well, there's just an opening at Mazzio's, the new Italian restaurant down the street. I was wondering if you can get me in there. I heard they got great meatballs. Yeah, I like to really just stuff them down my shirt and pretend they're boobies.
Jimmy, you know what? You've been doing that since the Olive Garden opened 6 months ago, and honestly, I can't really be your friend anymore. Can you stop telling people that we're best friends?
You gave me this ring, and I thought that was like a
Jimmy, I gotta go. Jimmy's right. I have to stop this Olive Garden from being made. Alright, it looks like it's the same gosh dang things all over again. So, I'll be catching you guys on the flip side. Oh boy. Why am I still playing? Woo, look at that cape. Oh gosh, I'm choking myself about cape. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Hasta la pasta.